This video will show you how to replace the rear window switch on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be mounted on the inside of your rear door. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To replace the window switch, we're going to have to remove the plastic trim panel. I have a plastic trim tool. Let's carefully make our way underneath this trim panel and we're going to gently pry upward. Now once you do have that separated, we can see our mounting point here. We'll turn this as necessary. We have to continue on to our electrical connector next. Now this does have a locking tab. Go ahead and squeeze in on the locking tab and we'll disconnect the electrical connector. Once it's disconnected, just give it a quick inspection for corrosion. If you see any, it needs to be taken care of. Continuing on, we're going to remove the rear window switch from the trim panel. If you are looking along either side of the window switch and trim panel, you're going to find that it has locking tabs. Of course, the outside ones here are going to be the easiest ones to gain access to. So I'm holding onto the trim panel and I'm pressing on the switch. At this point, I'm going to gently pry this area and we'll separate each one of our two locking tabs on one side. Afterwards, typically this will roll out of position. For this, you can continue on with your plastic trim tool or a small screwdriver, whatever's easiest for you. Now, as you can see, this is rolling out of position. If it does not want to unlock on the other side, don't force it. We don't want to cause any damage. Just make your way over there. We have those same two locking tabs. As you go to disconnect these, you may find the other side locks into position. Just be aware of that. So with that said, I'm still applying pressure here. I'm holding this up against the door panel. Make our way under. Slide it right out of there. There it is, friend. Now at this point, I'm going to clean down the area. Of course, you do want to use your preferred cleaner. I'm using glass cleaner on a clean rag. We're just going to wipe down one side and of course make our way to the other side. When we clean this, we're really paying attention to any of those locking tabs. We want to make sure that those are still in good usable order. If any of them are damaged, the switch might not sit into place properly. We can also see our two locking tabs that hold the trim panel in place. Those look good as well. After you have that inspected, let's also clean and inspect the door panel itself. Same process here, just go ahead and wipe it down. This is looking good. Now it's time for installation of the brand new rear window switch. We have our switch panel. From along the back side, we'll make sure we have our rear window switch in the proper orientation. Everything needs to be aligned here. Continuing on, we're going to press this in towards the trim panel. Listen for an audible click from each one of your locking tabs. Hold the panel, attempt to remove the switch. It should not slide out of place. A thorough inspection along each side at those locking tabs. This is looking exactly how we need it. Let's continue on with our electrical connector. As for that electrical connector, we want to make sure we have the locking tab area aligned on the switch properly. Press it in, listen for a click from that as well. Go ahead and give that a light tug. That does not slide out of place as well. Now we can rest this entire thing into position along the door panel itself, aligning our locking tabs with their corresponding holes. Line it up, press it in. Double check to make sure it's secured all the way around. Okay, friend, we finished the installation. Now the process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Of course, you do want to test the functionality. Put the key in the on position, make sure the window goes up and down as it needs to be. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.